Hi there, welcome along. In this video, I'm going to show you the differences between a proposal and a business plan. Many people think a proposal is the same thing as a business plan. Apart from the fact that, hang on a minute, a proposal tends to be a lot shorter than a business plan. A business plan can be 20 pages, 50 pages, 100 pages, but a proposal tends to be around 2 pages, even a 1 page, sometimes just 3 or 4 pages, but never in the detail that needs to be in the business plan. So let's go ahead and show you first what a business plan is so that you get a grasp on this and then you can move forward. A business plan is a written plan of action that will be used to execute a business idea. Now, when you're writing a proposal, that's clearly, most of the time, not a business idea in the sense of, oh, I think I could supply this kind of products to people around the world, and then so I'm going to write a business plan around it. No, it tends not to be like that. Proposal is not like that. A business plan shows that you are able to run a business. Yeah, to some extent, to a large extent, you can say. A proposal also displays that you can run the business, but the level of detail that needs to be in a business plan is different from that which needs to be in a proposal. Number 3, a business plan also shows how you would run the business profitably. You know what? The proposal does not have to detail how you are going to run your own business profitably, because how you run your business, that's your problem. The client is not interested in how you run your business, whether you make profit, as long as they are paying what they want to pay and you're delivering the service as you suggested. That's all they want to know. But a business plan is different. A business plan also should persuade people to part with finance. Yeah, a proposal should do the same, right? To part with expertise, not necessarily. And to part with time, not necessarily, because a proposal can and does ask people to pay for a service. But a business plan, you might use it to actually get others to contribute into your business in terms of giving their expertise, giving their time, giving their resources and all that. Well, I once knew of a guy who was starting up a company, a record label to be specific. And he had such a good business plan that within 2 months, he had 30 people working for him. His office was buzzing. I'm like, how did that happen? He said, well, every time they read the business plan, they were persuaded that they wanted to come and give their time and expertise into the flow of the business. A business plan also is used to establish an idea into a profitable venture. It might show how you're going to scale from supplying your products to 10 people to 100 people. A proposal doesn't do that. So in the next video, we're going to look at what a proposal is, and we'll go on to how you write one. See you in the next lecture.